Alright y'all, so like I said in my last video, I'm working on a demo or an EP I would call it, and it's gonna be like some ambient lo-fi. So this particular EP that I'm working on is self-titled. It's called Timothy Westbrook II, TWII. After studying Ryan Leslie and running into people like Legend, I made a short video of a sample of a song that I wanted to put on a project. I didn't talk about how I plan to make the music or how I plan to get it to the people who support me the most. So in this video, let's do that. So first, let's talk about exactly what it is I'm doing with this project. So with this project, I just wanted to lean more into the style of music that I listen to on a day-to-day basis, and I just really wanted to see if I could make that style of music myself and it actually be something that I would want to listen to. Alongside releasing more music, I want to also try direct to consumer, which brings me to the topic of this video, Koji. If you haven't heard by now, Koji is the best link in bio service. They have a ton of apps inside their platform, so you don't have to worry about a strong bounce rate, and you can get people exactly where they need to go as soon as you need them to get there. When I found out about Koji, I spent a few days trying to develop my Koji page so that it looked amazing. And I think I got a dope one for y'all. I mean, I have wallpaper that you can get for free, one-on-one coaching, features for songs, FaceTime video calls, just a ton of stuff that you can do on the Koji app. That's crazy, they even got a tip jar on here. But the one thing that I wanna do, that I need to do, that I must do, is put some music on there. So let's do that, so by the end of this episode, you can get that music on my Koji today. All right, so let's work on our melody. You don't swirl Shutter Homes, baby.
Now, let's get some lyrics. Inertia, a tendency to do nothing or remain unchanged. Alright, so while we waiting on each individual song to export so we can upload it to Koji, let's talk about each individual song while I eat some dinner. This song is what I call a love letter that I dedicated to every stage in a relationship, the first of which being the honeymoon stage.
Baby, I ain't nothing like the last one. Hit me when you got some free time, we can match one. What you wanna drink, baby, let me get the glasses. Forget about your last nigga, girl, you in the backwood. I ain't nothing like the last one. Hit me when you got some free time, we can match one. What you wanna drink, baby?
The honeymoon stage is one of the craziest parts of a relationship because even though you don't know this person, you will kill to keep the feeling. The next love letter is called Well.
I can tell how you respond when I touch you that I'm doing well. The way them curves sit on you, girl, it isn't fair. Time with you, baby, I'ma take it there.
If you've ever been in a relationship with somebody where body language is the only language that you need, then you understand this intoxication. Then comes the last letter, inertia.
Love inertia. It's safe to say that you love inertia. I can't remember the last time it felt true. I wonder in this world where I would've felt if it wasn't for you.
That's it. Hope y'all enjoy this EP. I love you guys, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.